Step number 6, handing out catalogues or brochures. I suggest you pass the one around to all 5 people in the room and get them to have a look through it. And just ask them the question, do you mind if I go through the brochure with you and share some of my favourite products? And they'll all say yes, I can promise you. So as we go through, they'll probably ask some questions. So you have to be a little bit adaptable, but just point out some of your most used and favourite products, and ideally some of the great results that you've had, or other people you know and you can relate to. Lovely stories always go down well.
Step number 7 is pricing. Now, people have probably asked you right from the start when you brought out the galvanic spa, how much does that cost? And I always just say, look, let's just talk about the products and get really involved in them and experience them, and then when we hand out the catalogues later, we can talk about the pricing. So now is when you talk about the pricing. So for a first-time buyer of product, they are going to purchase at retail. The retail price, depending on what they buy, it's always at retail. However, for a first-time purchaser, there are 4 wholesale special packs available, and they are, depending on your market, they are in New Zealand the Body Spa Pack, the Galvanic Spa Pack, the Farmanex Pack, and the Demo Kit Pack, which is Age Lock Transformation and a few other products, and they are actually about $150 off retail. So if they want to take advantage of wholesale pricing, they get one of those packs. Otherwise, they purchase their first product at retail, and then you can say to them, look, if you never want to buy again, that's fine, but if you do want to follow up with another order in another day, maybe in a few weeks or at the next month, then you can offer them wholesale pricing on their second purchase as a loyalty thing, and from then on they'll pay wholesale.
Step number 8, the most important step. Get out the order forms. Hand them around with confidence. You've sold the products to them, they've got excited, they've written down all the way through what they are excited about, what they'd like to try. So at that point, do not be afraid to ask for an order. Hand out the order forms, suggest they fill out all their details on the top, and if there's any questions with regards to the orders that they'd like to place, please ask it and I'll help in any way that I can. And give them a pen each and just let them fill out those forms.
And that is a wrap pretty much. That's your product event. One of the things that, if it's your first one, you'll be feeling a bit nervous and a little bit sort of, oh, I hope I'm going to do this all right. And really there is no wrong way if you follow these 8 really simple steps. Watch the videos a couple of times, work with your sponsor or the person that's actually coming to do the event with you, and just have fun, because it is fun. And it's fun sharing stuff that you love. So all the best, have fun, and to your success.
Enjoy.